I got ready for the day. I just ate some breakfast, and that was some cute breakfast. Like, it was hard to decide. Today, I'm actually going to be hanging out with someone that I met yesterday when I got here and checked into the hotel, because this hotel is kind of like a hostel. And she was like, I'm a solo traveler, like I haven't got to meet anyone yet. And I was like, girl, well, I just landed, like, let's do something. And she's like, really? And I'm like, yes, we're gonna do what she wanted, like the beer fest, and then we're probably gonna head to the concert situation. And if not, we'll probably just go to some bars in Shibuya, since we are in Shibuya and there's a lot of bars around. So we'll probably try to have a cool jazzy night if that doesn't work out with the other guy. But anyway, that's the update. Honey, I think they have Belgian fries, and I think they're gonna Japanify it, which means it's about to be even better, okay? Honey the peach. Arigatou gozaimasu. So cute. Oh yes. Oh my God. God bless you with these cooling wipes.
の部屋で一人で飲むとは何歳？でもお父さんの冷蔵庫開けて。いやそれはない。それはない。なかったの？なかった私。
Oh my goodness, show up, show out.
You can see right here is like one of those like thin button-ups, you know what I mean? Like this. Like in California, you can't take coffee.
Look at the little fishy.
They do a crime museum.
Oh, in Ginza?
I believe so, yeah.
It's in Ginza. Dude, you know if we bring this fish back, it's illegal?
Yeah. Or maybe they're protected, like how.
That's actually really nice. That's really cool. I wonder what they're doing. Yeah, he's joined it. Whoa! Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, hey. Let's try. Yeah, yeah. Let's try. No, it's okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. She's getting cute. Cutesy wootsy. We like it.
It is called ep2.
I took a bite. Pizza and pasta. I'm Italian tonight. Thank you. That's so cool. Like filming where I go, and she's like, oh, are you an influencer? I'm like, no, I'm a film major. And she started laughing, and I'm like, yeah, no, but I actually am.